Knew that was coming, didn't we? No, there's one of those posters. It's the first time I've seen one. Motorcyclists and scooter and moped riders, please remove your helmet before you fill up and pay for fuel. I'm sitting here wondering, what the heck is this in carrier? It's like leaking. If you look up the top, you might be able to see the sign. Nitrogen. You know, that stuff that freezes you? When I was a kid growing up, there's a clock tower there. It was huge to me. I thought it was massive, like Big Ben. You look at it now, it's a tiny little thing. It's for me.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger?